What's up, you guys? Welcome back to a video. So in today's video we are going to do soap brows. As you can see, I have a bare face. Okay, bare as bare can get. I also use the Fenty Skin for this natural glow. If you love how my skin looks, make sure you check out Fenty Skin. If you want to see my review on it, the review will be in the description box down below or in the icon here. So you guys, I have been trying to find a cheap alternative to turn my eyebrows from this mess here to something, you know, a little bit more natural, more flary. I just wanted something different. So I came across this soap brow. It's called Brow Styling Soap. Okay. So I was really excited to try this, and it also came with a mini spoolie. Y'all, I'm a little handicapped, okay, because I cut my finger. But I wanted to see how this product was going to work. Now, I do have a spray bottle here. This is just with water. I want to spray it because I noticed, like, I seen some reviews on this product and people would spray it. So now we got it all wet there. I want to go ahead and brush my eyebrows up too. I feel like it's the best it's gonna get there. I'm gonna brush this one up as well. I have very thin eyebrows, so getting the illusion that my eyebrows are thicker is definitely something I was going for. So all I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna push my eyebrow hairs up. Y'all, I feel like I'm gonna have to add a little bit more water. I feel like I may have put too much, but I need it to work. I feel like it's turning my hairs white. Only thing I wanted to do was just have that natural looking eyelash and make my eyelashes, not my eyelashes, but my eyebrow hairs to look a little fuller than what they are. And I don't feel like I'm getting that so far. Oh, wait a minute. Whoa. Okay. I also bought some scissors too, so as y'all can see, it's kind of like pushed up more, and I did straighten it here. But what I'm also going to do, I'm gonna just let that dry for a second because you can't see a difference so far. To push it up. This makes me want to try the Patrick Ta wax, brow wax, because a lot of people say, you know, that it dries down quickly, but I don't think it does. And y'all can tell, like, this eyebrow has less hair at the end than this one. But I like how it's like all flared out at the moment. Really, really pretty. Because like I said, I wanted to try something new, something different. Natural looking. And it definitely makes my eyebrows look fuller. This hair doesn't want to stick up here. Okay. I like it so far. But yeah, it's definitely dry now. So it just takes a little while for it to dry. Which is okay. What I also want to do as well, I'm going to just take this and it's a pair of eyebrow scissors, and I'm just going to shape my eyebrow just a little bit. That looks really good. And also, I haven't gotten my eyebrows trimmed or waxed in a long time due to COVID. I don't want no one that close to my face, honestly. Even if they have a face mask on, it just makes me feel uncomfortable. So times like this makes you want to learn how to do your own eyebrows. Makes you want to take the time. I don't think I want to cut them. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows, and then I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I am back, and I absolutely love how the bar soap definitely transformed my eyebrows. I did darken my eyebrows a little bit, as you can see. It took me a minute, and I also did apply the base of the foundation. And I absolutely love my brows. I think they came out really good. And I also ended up using the Anastasia dip brow gel. And I really like it. Really like it. I think it's really pretty.